What's going on? Today I'm doing a bit of troubleshooting on an issue I had the other day out sailing. I noticed about 2 or 3 gallons of water in the prop shaft engine bilge compartment on this boat, the Beneteau 281. So I was immediately concerned. I pumped out that water under sail. Seemed like it was a pretty slow leak. I couldn't identify where it was coming from. Came back to the dock after that sail, had another gallon in there, so pumped that out. Next weekend, engine bilge compartment was completely dry. Went out for a sail, put a paper towel underneath the prop shaft to isolate that, and paper towels around all the through holes over there, and totally dry, except this time I didn't run the fresh water system. Last time I was out, I ran the fresh water system. I also think it could be a rainwater leak, so there's that to consider too. But boat seems pretty dry, so I think I've identified this freshwater leak. Put some blue water treatment into the water line because I probably need to clean it anyway, and then it makes it the blue color. And so from there, I just ran the water through all the pumps and turned on the freshwater pump, and you can hear it. It's pumping back up. All right, and so it stopped. And it does turn on every minute or two. It turns on for a couple seconds and it shuts off. So just trying to figure that out. Let's see how long it takes for it to turn on again. I'm not running anything, nothing's running in the freshwater system. All right, just came on again. So it's probably a minute. So I've identified that the freshwater pump keeps running. There's probably a leak in the freshwater system, which would be a nightmare to diagnose. But I was in the lazarette and I saw a small drip coming from the hot water tank. So I'm hoping that's where it is and there's no other leak. So I'm gonna go check that out right now. So that's where it's coming from. My hot water tank is pretty old. Definitely seeing water going down into this area and then coming out in the aft quarter berth. So I'm thinking it's just this hot water tank. So I'm gonna see what's happening behind this panel. I'll turn off all the electricity. I got my high-tech system here. This Gatorade bottle I cut to just wedge up in there on that drain, and then I pull the lever, fill it up. And then carefully twist that out. Forbidden Gatorade. Hopefully this is the problem. Almost got 5 gallons. What I'm gonna do when I drain it is bypass the whole water tank and just connect the hot and the cold and see if that stops the leak. So hopefully it's not in one of these lines too. That would just be terrible. Yeah, I think the tank's leaking or something. 'Cause there's water down right in here. And the bottom of this insulation was wet, so that's not really good or safe. Some wires right down there. So I'm just gonna connect these two guys and I'll just totally bypass the tank and see if that stops the leak. All right, as you can see here, I've got the hot water tank removed and my 2 bypasses, the cold and the hot return, and then the heat exchange element. I'm just gonna leave these like this for, I don't know, the remainder of the season maybe. All right, well, not a fun way to spend the day, but at least I figured out that it was a freshwater leak and it was from the hot water tank. I've had the water pump running. I haven't heard it run at all, and so that means the bypasses are working and there must be no other links in the fresh water, so that's good. Good to know it wasn't the prop shaft or a through-hull leak, which could have been more worrisome. So hot water tank is pretty simple fix, just swap and replace. I'm gonna leave it out for the time being and figure out if I want to rerun some head hoses or rework that lazarette at all. So for right now, no hot water. It's hot enough.